Here in the digital services area of Light and Building, we're showcasing our ABB tools to simplify planning, commissioning, and installation of products and services for our customers. Here today we have Igor with us, who will tell us more about one of these tools, the Building Planner. So Igor, great to have you here today. In a few words, what do you think is important to know about the Building Planner?
Hi Alice, thanks for having me. So my name is Igor. I work as a product manager at ABB and I'm responsible for planning tools. And here we are showcasing our latest planning tool, which is called the Building Planner and is designed to help professional users, which can be installers, planners, system integrators, to plan a commercial building with a KNX installation.
Perfect. What do you think the customers will enjoy most about this tool?
I think what they will enjoy most is the fact that they will not have to do repetitive work anymore. So they can simply plan single rooms and reuse them later on. They can apply those templates on multiple rooms at the same time, so it really avoids repetitive work. The other thing that I think they will enjoy most is that they will now be able to collaborate on a project with their peers, with ABB colleagues, with the customer or whomever, so they can invite others to really work on the same project.
And that collaboration is key, right?
Yes.
And finally, what is your favorite feature of the Commercial Building Planner?
Well, my favorite feature is that you can also import BIM files. So if you have an IFC file, you don't have to draw the floor plan by yourself. You can simply import the file. And at the end of the process, you get a project documentation where everything is documented. And you can show it, for example, to your customers to show, well, what they will be getting at the end when the project is delivered.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Igor, and thank you for joining us today.